welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 25 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is applications and letters, right? So यहाँ पर हम बात करने वाले हैं applications और letters के बारे में. So first of all we have the applications. So what are these applications? Applications are basically जो आप अपने authorities को लिखते हो, right? Wherever you are working or you are going on daily basis, right? So there's an application for leave due to illness. तो यहाँ पर एक एप्लीकेशन है जिसमें हमें लीव चाहिए क्योंकि हम बीमार हैं. तो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फ्रेम दैट? लेट्स रीड इट वेरी क्विकली. The principal, St. Xavier School, Delhi, Madam, most respectfully, I am here to say that I have been suffering from fever since last night. Therefore, I request you to kindly grant me leave for 2 days as I am unable to attend the classes due to fever and weakness. Right? I shall be highly obliged to you for this act of kindness. Yours obediently, Meena, class 7th A. Correct? So in this way, you can very easily frame an application for leave due to illness. Moving ahead, we have the next question, which is an application for arrangement of evening classes, right? Let's say the principal, DAV School, Patna. Sir, with due respect, I beg to state that though our English teacher, Mr. M.J.D. Gupta, is doing his best to complete the course of English grammar based on the new pattern. The new pattern is based on the structural pattern of applied grammar. We are unable to grasp its main features. Therefore, I request you on behalf of my classmates to make arrangements for extra evening classes. All the students are willing to join the classes. We shall be highly obliged. Yours obediently, Alok Gupta, class 7th B. Right? Next, we have an application for including in school hockey team. अब ये एप्लीकेशन है स्कूल हॉकी टीम में इंक्लूड होने के लिए. लेट्स रीड दिस आल्सो, which is the principal, BAV High School, Delhi. Sir, respectively, I am here to say that I am a new student in the school. I joined the school this year. I was a good hockey player in my previous school. I had taken part in the inter-school championships in which I scored 4 goals. In view of his, I kindly request you to include my name in the school hockey team. Thanking you, yours obediently, Ramesh Singh, class 7th B. Right? Next, write an application to your school principal requesting him to grant you 3 days leave to look after your father who is seriously ill, right? So it is the principal, Sunrise Public School, Udaipur. Respected sir, with due respects, I am penning this letter. I am a student of class 7th A. I am the only son of my father and he is seriously ill these days. I have to look after my father for a few days, so I am unable to attend the school for 3 days. Kindly grant me leave for 3 from 7th September to 9th of September. Right? I shall be highly obliged to you for this act of kindness. Thanking you. Yours obediently, Govind Swami, class 7th B. राइट सो हमने देखा कि अलग अलग रीजंस के लिए हमने सेम तरीके से एप्लीकेशंस फ्रेम की हैं लाइक द फॉर्मेट ऑफ ऑल द एप्लीकेशंस वाज द सेम तो सबसे पहले हमें द प्रिंसिपल लिखना है देन द नेम ऑफ द स्कूल देन द सिटी देन द सैल्यूटेशंस देन द कंटेंट ऑफ द एप्लीकेशन देन थैंकिंग यू योर्स ओबीडियंटली एंड देन योर नेम एंड द क्लास राइट सो सभी चीज़ों में हमने सेम फॉलो अप किया है. So, in this way, you can also frame the applications very easily, right? Now, let us move to the next topic, which is letters. तो अब ये letters कैसे लिखते हैं? Let's see, right? Letter to a friend to spend the summer vacation. तो अब आप जब लेटर अपने फ्रेंड को लिख रहे हो समर वेकेशंस एक साथ स्पेंड करने के लिए तो क्या लिखोगे 12/2 दिल्ली रोड देहरादून दिस इज द एड्रेस राइट देन 6th August 2000 and whatever is here so that means you're going to write the date below it. Dear Aarti, this is the salutations. I hope you are well. Your college is closed now. I am free too. Shimla is very pleasant these days. It is never hot like Jhansi. So I invite you to spend a few days of summer vacations with us. I have made a nice program. Parul has also come here today and Koyal will be here tomorrow. If you come, our time will easily will pass easily and joyfully. We have decided to go to Manikaran, Kullu, Manali. When you come, don't forget to bring your camera. You know well that Koyal is a good singer, so we shall enjoy her songs too, right? Yours sincerely, Sumit Khanna, right? Next, we have the example which says write a letter to your friend inviting him to a dinner. तो अब आपको अपने एक फ्रेंड को डिनर के लिए इनवाइट करना है. So how you are going to write? 83 by Vijayanagar, Jaipur, obviously the address first of all, then the date is mentioned, then salutations, my dear Monica, right? I have arranged a chit-chat dinner today at my residence, in which we shall have an entertainment program. I have already invited Ritu, Priya, Seema, and Renu to this dinner, and now I am inviting you also for the same. My younger sister and brother will present a skit. Ritu and Priya have given their consent to put up the ghazals and songs. After the dinner, we will have poetry reading sessions. I hope you will accompany us in this program. You will stay with me night in my room. Please do attend this dinner, right? Convey my regards to uncle and love to little Chintu. With lots of love, your affectionately Simran Sharma, right? So in this way, you can frame letters to invite your friends or your family members as well. Here we have a lot more examples. You can read them and have a lot more knowledge about writing the letters. And as you can see, यहाँ पर हमें कुछ examples, कुछ questions भी दिए हुए हैं जो you are supposed to do yourself and test your writing skills that are you easily able to frame the letters or the applications or not, right? So that was all from my side. I hope you all enjoyed the video and you got to know something more about the letters and the applications, right? So that was all. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.